Today we playing Jollibee. You got like and subscribe. Let's go on Jollibee. Why are you dating there? What's that got? I don't know the owner. Let's order. I want some fries. Funny. And some burger. Cheeseburger. And this. And I want this. Chicken. I love chicken. Then you can have burger box. I want some French fries. Nuggets. Let's go float. Wait, go. Okay. Let's go or sit. Or sit this. Okay. Want to eat? Oh, my food. Get my food. Okay. My food is here. Put this and at my seat. Who eats here? Who eat there? I want to eat some here. Oh no, I will sit on my spot. Okay, I will eat some this. I want to eat now. Yum. I like the chicken. I like this. So good. Yummy. I want the also yummy, bro. Stop eating my stop eating my thing. It's so good. Oh, I will finish it. Yum. So yummy. It's so tasty, bro. Wow, so tasty. I love it. I will pay. Good luck. I will work. What is better? The motorcycle, the good motorcycle, or the old motorcycle? What do you want? Let's go on Jollibee. Again? Let's go on the in. Let's go in. Then let's eat again. I will put it on my side. Eat again. Yum. So tasty chicken. Oh my god, so tasty. Yummy. Let's go eat. Oh, it's so yummy. Love it. Oh, so yummy. You like McDonald's or Jollibee? What do you want? I eat first. Someone's eating there. You want to get me a bite? The girl. You're so good. Yum. So good, bro. Yummy. Wow, so yummy, bro. Yum. Why so good? I like it. I don't finish the gravy. Let's go eat again. So yummy. I will eat first again. Eat again. My seat. This why eat. I will eat my food. Yum yum. I like it. My spaghetti. Go here. The spaghetti is so good. I like the sauce. Yum yum. Let's go again. Yum yum. I'm almost full. Yum yum. So good. Yummy. Let's go here. I want to go back. And wow. Exit. What are you doing there? Hey, I want some ice cream. It's a prank, I don't want. Let's go on the other one. Okay. Who's here? Who's on the car, bro? I like that. Home is so good. Everyone, I want to go back. Oh no, where's the driver? I think just park. What is this, a snow? Oh my god. Who's this? Okay, let's eat again. Because I'm full. I want to eat my yummy burger. Let's eat. Yum yum. It's so tasty, bro. I love burger. I like it. Yum yum. So tasty. Yum yum yum. I like the burger. Yum yum. So good. Yum. So good, bro. Everyone say bye bye.